signed an agreement with the planet Uranus, and we will be shipping them our garbage.
This company will be sending a huge fleet of garbage space trucks straight for Uranus.
Garbage trucks in space. We're launching trucks to Uranus now.
Here we go.
And so it's garbage trucks in space.
Truck, we are now slowly approaching Uranus.
And 4, good buddy.
We're making you smell.
Watch out for the asteroids out
Will
there.
become hell. Oh, Uranus,
Whoa,
you will
damn.
look really bad. The local aliens are gonna get really mad. Garbage trucks. Garbage trucks. Garbage trucks in space. Uranus Garbage Company likes the garbage trucks in space. Oh, Uranus, now you seem so dirty. Uranus Garbage Company picks up by 9:30. So that's not too bad. But Uranus, your people seem mad. Their arms are skinny, so that's just really sad.
Fweep
They
Fweep
need to
Fweep
do more
Diesel Gore
dumbbell
Fweep
movements.
Fweep Fweep.
Maybe some hammer
Fweep, fweep.
curls or flies. Because they're really skinny guys. And they can't take us in a fight. So watch us as our garbage trucks take flight. Only to return with more crap. A whole bunch of crap like polyethylene #1 and #2. And a bedbug infested couch or two. At least you don't live in a black hole. Or do you? Garbage trucks. Garbage trucks. Garbage trucks in space. We're dumping a lot of beer cans on you. And so it's straight up in your face. See you later, aliens.
Fweep Fweep.